Today I have an unboxing, or even better, today I'm into an unboxing.
Now everybody scream enough respect to the X, enough respect given.
What's up YouTube, it's NG, the Neon X, and I'm back. Today I'm into an unboxing. I haven't done one of these in a little bit. I think the last one I did was, what was the iPhone? The iPhone Mini 12. Was that 2 weeks ago or so? Anyway, today we have the HOMEPOD Mini. Now, if you watch my channel, you know I recently purchased an iPhone 12 Mini as well. It's actually doing the recording right now. I realize I haven't used the cameras on this thing for anything more than a pic of my kids here and there. So I figure, well, while unboxing the Apple HOMEPOD Mini, let's use an Apple device, keep it all in the families, so to speak. So without further ado, let's see what we can get into with the HOMEPOD Mini. To aid us in our unboxing today, we have Batman. This handy dandy Batman tool has been with me for some time, and it always comes in handy in the most opportune situations. You might need to unscrew something small, whether it's a Phillips head or flat. This has the tools for the job. If you're out and about and you happen to get a cold one, you got your can opener right in the middle. It's also good when you just need something good and metal on you to intimidate those who may want to get involved in some scrupulous activity. So the Batman tool here is always a fun tool to have around, and in this particular situation, Batman is going to open up the iPod Mini. But before we get to that, let's take a look at the box. So it says HOMEPOD Mini right there in nice little HOMEPOD. I don't know if you guys can see it, and it says Mini in nice little spray painted colors. The box is a pretty good weight, so it feels like a quality device, because some things you get them and they're light and you kind of question, what is this exactly I'm about to get into. Not much going on with the box, kind of boring actually. At least they show you what the Mini will look like. All right, so let's open it up. Okay, before I do this, let's see, do I need this tool for this? Okay, some things just kind of peel open, but okay, I guess so. Okay, easy enough. Right, let's pop it open. The top comes right off and it slides down. And here it is. So, just like the cords for their other devices, the Mini comes with its power cable wrapped in this nice little cardboard frame, I guess to keep it all neat, locked in place here. Let's take off this just cause. Alright, that's out the way. Excuse me, thank you. Alright, then let's see what we have. Wait, before that, let's see what's in the box. So here we have all the paperwork we will probably not read. There's another Apple sticker. I guess they just like to give those out. Your directions on how to use the HomePod Mini. I might actually need to look at those. Oh, and surprisingly, a power brick. Now, it's a little humorous that their new iPhones don't come with one of these, and they cost 7 times as much. You would assume if Apple was going to rid their devices of the power bricks, they would rid all their devices of the power bricks, because it's the same power brick that can power any device. So if they know that we all have all these power bricks just laying around the house, why give power bricks at all? Okay, that's my thinking. Note how I'm putting it back in the box because I literally don't need the use of the power brick. But I might need to see how to actually use this thing, so let's keep this out. Alright, so let's take a quick look around the device itself. Here we have plus, minus, is that's the volume of it. It's completely spherical. Well, it has a non-detachable power cord. No, that's kind of odd. Most things you could just pull it out if you need to move it to a different location. The power cord itself can stay where it is to plug into some other device. This device doesn't seem to be as universal as many others. It seems to be an Apple thing. But that's pretty much it on this thing. What's underneath here? Oh, the Apple logo, so you know it's an Apple pod. Okay. That's pretty much it. There's not really anything else there to actually talk about. It's a good weight. Looks alright. Not as circular as I thought it was. At least not circular. It's not as spherical as I thought it was. But you know, it is what it is. Let's hook this guy up and see what we have here. Okay, so here we have the HomePod Mini. That's a nice deep sound when it turned on. So far, so good. If I'm to judge or use that to judge the audio quality of the device, that was actually not bad. Nice little deep rumble there. I got the iPhone here ready to hook up to this guy, and the video is now being recorded with the F20 or the S20 Fe. So let's turn this on. Oh, look at that. HomePod Mini. Set it up. Sure, why not? Let's go. What room is it in? It's in master bedroom. Boom. No, I don't want to subscribe right now. Do I have to subscribe to use this thing? I don't know. Recognize my voice, that's fine. What's this? Personal request. Use a Siri on HomePod to access your messages. Sure. For the purpose of these tests, why not? Let's see what this guy can do. Okay, I agree. Sure, why not? Center the HomePod in the frame. Okay. Let's move this up so you guys can see. Okay, so the HomePod got centered in the frame. The circle had to align with the circle that the phone was giving off. And it's doing the setup. So let's pause this for a minute until it's finished doing its thing, and we'll get. Oh.
Hi, I'm
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, hey Siri, play some music.
Hey Siri, play some music.
Now playing Apple Music One.
I'm a king, I'm a legend, and I'm making up my champion. Give me for my knees, but a whip to get
Hey
my
Siri.
nephew, put them diamonds on my knees.
Stop. Well, that was a pretty quick and easy setup. Again, always impressed with how easy Apple makes it to set up their devices and sync them to one another. I do see why people join the ecosystem for the simplicity of it all. Now, the HomePod itself doesn't sound bad. I can't lie, it sounds pretty good. As for its usage, I don't know if it's any more useful than any of the other smart speakers I have around the home. I'm gonna have to do a little test with that to see how useful Siri actually is, because I don't really use her for anything. It's all pretty much Google for information and Alexa for home automation. See, there's times it just doesn't want to send the song back. It's supposed to be just, there we go. And when it does send the song back, it's at a lower volume than when you were playing originally. Kind of bothersome. Maybe it's the corner? No, it's not. It's just weird software hiccups, perhaps. Maybe because it's not. No, it wasn't because it was locked. I'm currently hearing the music in my Sony headphones, you know, or my Sony. What's it? The WM3 earbuds. As always, it sounds great. Well, the whole point was, can I just swap back and forth at will? And I don't know, it was because, oh, it finally went through. I don't know if it's because I have the earbuds in or what, but it just doesn't want to do it. Not at first go. Anyway, it took a few taps to get this thing to work. And when it does, it's absurdly low. What is going on?
When I pretend everything is what I want it to be, I look exactly like what you had always wanted.
There we go. We threw it, and it didn't even touch it. So let's take the phone away, perhaps, and bring it back. Oh, and it's at a good volume. Maybe that's the trick. Let's try it one more time. Take the phone away, then bring it back. No. That was just lucky the first time. Let's try again. Now it's switched. I don't know. It seems pretty hit or miss to get it to work. but it does work eventually.